She a little spicy. Listen. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Westkiss Hair. They're kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this gorgeous install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
So like I said, this unit comes to us from Westkiss Hair. This is their curly HD lace front wig. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check this unit out for yourself, you definitely can. This unit is pretty much self-explanatory, okay? It's a curly unit with HD lace that melts. Do y'all see this hairline on me? I mean, I got a little shininess over there, but don't focus on that. Focus on the non-existent lace on this unit and how it melted down on my dome, because y'all. Now this unit does take a little bit of work to get like this. I did co-wash my unit because it does come with a chemical smell that you will want to get out. Now I didn't get no tangling with this unit, however I did get shedding during the co-wash and during the styling. I think most of the shedding from the styling came from when I went in to pluck out some of the hairline. The hairline on the mannequin head looks a lot more pre-plucked than it did on my head. And that's usually what happens when it comes to a lighter skin tone, because obviously Brenda is a lighter skin tone than me. So on my head, you couldn't really see the pre-pluckedness outside of that, you know, that natural looking color. So just be mindful of that. You may need to pluck through your unit or pull through your unit like I did to get the look that you want. You don't really need to pluck out a lot because a natural looking hairline on a curly unit is more forgiving than it is on a straight unit. That's a little tidbit for y'all. Okay, the unit does have a little bit of layers here in the front. However, it is mainly one length all the way around. So I did cut the unit a little bit shorter here in the front just to kind of get the look that I was going for, because it does give me a lot more volume, and I actually appreciate that because I wanted a more fuller look on me. I did go in and diffuse the unit, and that part definitely took the longest. It took me about 30 minutes to diffuse this hair. I did not go in and hard part this unit. You do get a nice chunk of parting space up there to kind of, you know, do what you gotta do. So, you know, do what you gotta do. Now don't mind this little white part over here. That's my wig cap. So that's telling you how good that lace is. Look at that. Even on the side part, okay, that tag is showing. So if you want to do a ball cap or just, you know, don't wear a wig cap or kind of have it pushed back, scalp, okay, that is scalp right there. There is nothing crazy going on with this wig, and I'm actually here for it. Okay, what y'all thinking? What y'all thinking about this one? Like, the sun here in Georgia been kind of, you know, peeking on through, so, you know, I'm kind of feeling that. Bring on the sun, okay? I'm ready for the sun and summer dresses, okay? My body is waiting. Let's see, wait a minute. Here I go with a bang. Now, I was thinking about doing like a little up style with this joint. Let me see, where's my little bow? Let's see if we can do an up style with her. Pull all this up like this. Hold on, kiss my glasses. And I will say this unit is between big head associate and big head friendly. Just on how it's fitting on my head, I don't have it pulled all the way down in the back just because I felt like I needed a little bit more slack in the front to make sure it wasn't pulling on my edges. I could definitely probably stretch it down to make it fit on the back, but if I want to be comfortable and rock this unit all day, that's what I'm gonna do, okay? That's what I'm gonna do. How I wanna do this? Like that. Okay, I'm gonna tie it up, tie it up, oh yeah, okay. Tie it in the back. It's a little crooked, but it's okay, it's okay. Okay. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, it's so cool. It's cool. It's cool. Wait a minute now. Okay. So let me scoot down a little bit. Uh-oh, that's too low. Yeah. Okay, so how we looking with that? Cute. I know. She a little spicy. Listen, where my hoops at? Could it? It's a little chunky chunk. I mean, silver hoops will look better with this outfit, but you know, we're already committed. Okay. Yeah, so let's try these joints. I mean, the gold looks better with the green. That's just my opinion. But for the shirt, it looks better with the shirt. But anyway, that is all I got for you guys today, okay? Shout out one more time to Westkiss Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs and any coupon codes that I have for this unit down below. So you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.